You're sitting in your car at the bottom of a hill. You pop the gear into neutral, let your foot off the brake, and suddenly, your car starts rolling upward. It picks up speed, defying the very laws of gravity. You aren't imagining it, and your car isn't haunted. You've just entered a gravity hill. From Magnetic Hill in Canada to Confusion Hill in California, these spots have birthed legends of secret magnetic or supernatural forces.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
But the real magic isn't in the ground. It's in your head. A gravity hill is a masterclass in optical illusions. Our brains are actually quite bad at judging flat without a reference point. Usually, we use the horizon as our level. But at these locations, the true horizon is obscured by trees, curving roads, or high embankments. Without a horizon, your brain looks at the immediate surroundings for clues. If the trees are slightly tilted or the surrounding landscape has a much steeper downward slope than the road, your eyes get tricked. A road that is actually sloping downward at a 2-degree angle can look like it's sloping upward if the background is tilted at 5 degrees. This creates a massive conflict between your senses. Your vestibular system, the tiny levels in your inner ear, is actually telling you that you're moving downhill. But your visual system is so dominant that it overrides your ears. Your brain decides that up is down simply because the visual cues say so. If you don't believe the physics, you can bring a simple carpenter's level or a GPS altimeter to the site. While your eyes see an incline, the level will show a decline, and the GPS will show your elevation dropping as you roll up. It's a powerful reminder that seeing is believing isn't always true. Sometimes, seeing is just a very convincing lie told by your brain. If you visited a gravity hill, would you trust your eyes or your inner ear? Or would you just enjoy the ride? Let me know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.